Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to trade on binary option with this script on any platform. Okay, and today's video I'll show you best script for IK option, and you can trade on any broker for use this script. Okay, and if you not join my telegram channel, please join my telegram channel, and if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Okay, and if you not join a best binary broker account, link in description below, simply click and sign up and start forex and binary trading. And if you need this indicator and script, and send me message on personal message on telegram. Okay, I'll send free. Okay, not paid. Okay, this is free. Send me a personal message. Okay, on telegram. Telegram link in the description box. Okay, so let's start trading with this script. Okay.